Right, so lovely people on the YouTube video, we have just been on Zoom for 39 minutes and I wasn't recording. So I'm very sorry, but welcome to the TikTok Bake Off this week. This week the girls are baking like Swiss rolls, chocolate log kind of things. Jess will be joining us in a minute. Unfortunately, Amelie and Naomi are busy this week, but we do have Amelia and Faye here with us, answering questions, keeping me company while the rest of the girls bake. Most of them have already finished baking their actual cakes. They've gone in the oven. We're just waiting for them to cool and then to decorate. So, Kat, if you wouldn't mind explaining again what you are baking this week. Yeah.
I'm baking a vanilla sponge with an internal heart going all the way through, pink obviously, and then hearts in the cake batter rolled around it with cream cheese frosting in the middle.
Amazing. And we have already seen a little sneak peek of the cake and it does look incredible. The hearts look amazing.
Wow.
Go on, Maddie. Explain to us what you're doing this week.
I am also doing a heart-themed one, so I have hearts going through the middle as well, and hearts in the cake batter. But mine's strawberries and cream flavour.
Lovely.
And pink as well.
So a little competition between them two this week. Katie, you're around to explain what yours is.
Mine is raspberry and lemon with, in fact, I'll show you now. A very colourful sponge.
Oh, wow.
Amazing.
It's having lemon buttercream inside with fresh raspberries and then a little decoration on top.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Looks delicious. It looks a bit like a twister lolly.
Yeah. Like a Battenberg, but you're right, it does look like a twister. That's what my dad said when he saw it. It was like, "Are you making a Battenberg?" I was like, "No, Dad."
This week. Jess, if you wouldn't mind just explaining what you're doing again, as unfortunately we weren't recording the first time.
I'm doing a white chocolate and vanilla flavoured trifle with rainbow buttercream on the inside.
Amazing, amazing. Looking forward to how that turns out as well. What else? What are people saying here? This week is actually the semi-final. Next week will be the last one, so it will be the big bake. And we will find out who wins. So your votes really do count this week. So if you haven't, please go over to both the Instagram and the TikTok accounts, which will be linked in the description below, and go vote for your favorites, because your vote really does matter. Help get your favorite through to the final. All the contestants are this girl's idol or boy. I'm not sure if it's a girl or a boy. Christmas theme. If we had more weeks, I would love to do a Christmas theme week. But unfortunately, next week is the last week. So yeah, we're going to do something a bit more kind of general rather than specifically themed. What is your favourite food and what is your favourite animal? Anyone that wants to reply, May?
My favourite, okay, I've said my favourite animal before is a panda.
Yeah.
And my favourite food is, I said this before actually, I said Indian.
Oh yeah, lovely. I love a curry. What about you, Faye?
Favourite animal is probably a cat or like a kitten. And favourite food is probably fish. Like I love salmon and sushi. Like, oh my god.
Really?
Yeah.
Very nice. Like that. Have you seen the like sweetie sushi that they do?
Yeah.
I think my brother got that for his birthday one year. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I was saying on the first half of this Zoom call, which unfortunately wasn't recording, but I made my brother's birthday cake today, which proved to me how hard it really is to bake, because my vision did not come through. But yeah, go check that out. It will be on the Instagram account.
Can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I really want to see it.
Impressive. Don't be that excited. But it's like 4 hours. So, yeah. Right. What else? Someone said, "What is your favorite cake flavor?"
Caramel, definitely.
Lovely. What about you, Faye?
Definitely chocolate.
Mine's probably a red velvet personally, and I haven't had one in so long. But yeah, I do love a red velvet. If you can hear whisking, I don't know if you can, but I can. It is my mum making another birthday cake for my brother downstairs. That one turns out well as well. I'll also be on the Instagram account.
Wow.
What else? Someone said next week make a cake and make it look like a random object. That's quite cool.
Oh,
That's
what,
so
like
cool.
a cake that looks like a burger or something like that.
Like a chair. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen them before on TikTok. They look amazing.
Yeah.
there's some like I've been scrolling through Pinterest before for hours, and you just come across the most amazing things, and you're like, how have they made that out of like cake? Like it's there's one like they made it into an onion, and it looked amazing. Like it literally looked like an actual onion.
Wow.
Oh my god.
It was incredible.
I've seen TikTok before. It's actually quite distressing. Someone made like a cake that looks like a baby, and then they cut the head of it.
No. Oh my god.
It was terrible.
Oh my
It
god.
looked so good.
But very interesting. I can't remember what we were speaking about before on this Zoom, but I feel like we had like loads of nice conversations. Oh, what I was saying was that it was really sad that this is coming to an end, unfortunately, in the next couple of weeks. Like these 5 weeks have been so nice, so much fun, and unfortunately they are coming to an end next week. But yeah, make sure to tune in as much as possible. Let's see if we can get every single person that follows the TikTok account watching next week for the final, so we can see who wins. And hopefully I will also do another live when I announce the winner, so you guys can see everyone's like reactions to who wins. Yeah, kind of leave your guesses. If you are watching the YouTube video, leave your guesses as to who you think's going to win or who you want to win in the comment section, so yeah, we can have a little look. What is your favorite food topping?
Probably sprinkles or like some kind of sauce, like chocolate sauce or something.
Nice. What about you?
To be honest, I don't really know.
No, I mean personally mine's probably like, you know, you get those like fudge chunks.
Oh
Ooh.
yes, I love them.
So lovely, so good, love
Yeah.
it. Where is everyone? So unfortunately Amelie and Naomi were busy this week, but yeah, there's just 4 contestants left baking, which is Katie, Maddie, Kat and Jess, and then next week there will be 3 left for the so yeah, votes really do count this week, and hopefully everyone's logs go the way, or rolls go the way they want them to, so yeah, they have the best shot of being in the final. So yeah, we also got asked, and someone's just re-asked it, so we can ask it again. What was your favourite thing you baked during lockdown?
Oh yeah, mine was my stitch cake.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Thank
My-
you.
I mean, Faye, sorry.
It's alright. Mine was the birthday cake I made for my dad.
Yeah, and like I did say earlier, they are both on the Instagram account, so go check that out right now. Amazing. I will try and pop pictures up if I can, but if not, the links will be in the description below for you to go check them out. So yeah, they are baking a roll or a log. You guys have had 52 minutes, so you've got like 10 roughly minutes left. Kat, you look done. Are you finished? Wow.
Yeah, all done.
Wait.
It's in the fridge, just cooling off. Took a
Oh,
couple pictures.
Did it go the way you hoped it to? Does it look good?
Yeah, I might end up adding stuff on top, but I'm still contemplating that. So if it will be, I'll film it or something anyway. So yeah.
Very nice. Oh, exciting. Wow. Yeah, looking forward to see that. And like I said, we did get a nice little sneak peek of the actual cake earlier, and it did look amazing. So yeah, looking forward to see that finishing product. What else? What do you guys prefer, cookies or donuts?
Donuts, definitely.
Faye?
Same. If it's cookie dough, then cookie dough. But if it's just cookies, donuts.
I completely agree. Cookies, depending on the like, obviously if it's like a nice like, soggy like gooey cookie, then amazing.
Yeah.
If it's like the normal like Maryland, like unless it's dipped in tea,
Yeah.
like it's nice.
Yeah.
kind of dry, kind of boring.
Yeah.
What would the bakers pick as the final challenge? Okay, yeah. So if you could, right, just imagine for you guys that are out as well. Imagine you were in the last final next week. What would you like to bake?
Okay, so I said before that I would like to bake like a big cake, like a birthday cake or something like that.
Yeah, that's a good shout. Faye?
Probably similar, or maybe like a drip cake or something.
Very nice. How about you, Kat? If you were in next week, what would you like to bake?
100% big cake. They're my like forte.
If like I said earlier as well, guys, if like next week, what I'm probably gonna suggest is, because obviously bigger things, more extravagant things take longer to cook and to bake, like just to make in general. I will probably get the girls to make the basis of it before, and then come on live so we can see like all the decorations and like the fun, the full cake or whatever it is coming together. So yeah, I'm really excited for next week. Hopefully everyone's on. We can have one last little Zoom call together. Feel free to like get dressed up if you like. Have one last. I'll put my lights on as well. Like
Yeah.
on.
Glass of champagne.
Yeah.
Well, I'd also say, like, say if like it's a big cake, you could always do a mini cake, because I find them very successful because they're the same type of like idea, because it's still like icing in the middle and then doing your crumb coat and outer coat, and then you could do a drip and pipe on top, like, because that would take a much shorter time. Just a suggestion, but like,
very, very good point. Yeah,
That's a good idea.
I will keep that in mind, Kat. What else? What are people saying? Are you making something or just chatting? So the majority of us are just chatting now, but they have been baking. Maddie, you look finished. Are you done?
Just finished, yeah.
How's it gone? You happy with it?
I'm okay with it. I'm not really pleased, but I'm not disappointed. I'm just like in the middle. So hopefully you guys all like it. Pardon?
Did you have a chance to practice, or is this?
Yeah, I did. I actually tried a different design in my practice, but I didn't really like it. So I've gone for a new one, and I do like it.
I'm glad. Well, it all comes down to people's votes. You never know. People might absolutely love it. So yeah, that is all.
Hope so.
So yeah, like I was saying, hopefully next week, as it is the final, we do get as many people watching the live as possible. So if you are watching the YouTube channel right now, or if you're on the live, be sure next Tuesday, 7 p.m, tune in so you can see us one last time. And yeah, see what bakers bake for the final. Has Jess finished baking? I don't know. Jess, have you finished, or are you still at it?
I've just finished.
You just finished. Has yours gone well? Are you happy with it?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. Very good. I just love getting your videos, photos through, and seeing people's response to it as well. It's always so positive, and I absolutely love it. What else? Oh, that's a very good question. If you had to bake something for the Queen, what would you bake?
Probably scones, because it's like typical British thing.
Yeah. What about you, Faye?
I'd probably do Victoria sponge cakes. It's quite classic.
Yeah, love that. Maddie, what about you?
Someone said on my Eclairs video that they think the Queen would like it, so maybe I'd go for them.
They were really good. What about you, Kat?
sorry, what was the question? Sorry, I've just been.
If you had to bake the Queen, what would you bake?
Oh, probably a classic Victoria sponge, or maybe scones, nice scones.
Yeah.
I feel like a good scone, so yeah.
What about you, Jess?
Probably scones as well, to be honest, or Empire biscuits.
Oh, what's that?
Empire biscuit?
Yeah.
Like the two biscuits that are sandwiched with jam, and they've got like the white icing on them and sprinkles.
Oh,
Very nice. Very, very nice. They sound lovely. Someone who's hashtagged Olivia is so fit.
I just thought that. They put it like 3 times.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's hilarious. When will we see the final results? So the videos will be out as soon as the girls send it to me, whether that be tonight or tomorrow morning. This week, I'm just gonna put them out as soon as people send it to me, as it's been proven that it doesn't matter when I put the videos out, the votes literally like they just come in. It doesn't really matter. But obviously send it to me as quickly as possible, so yours gets the longest amount of time possible. But yeah, so get looking for their videos and their photos. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's already out, so go vote for your favorites. Like I've said many times now, it is technically the semi-final this week, so you are voting for the favorites that you would want to see in the final, which is very, very exciting. Your time is now up, Katie. Wow, everyone's completely finished on time today. This is amazing. Katie, how did you find it? How's it gone?
It's gone fine. It's gone perfect. I'm very happy.
Lovely. Oh, wow. I'm really excited to get all your photos and videos through. Like I said, next week is the final. So everyone tune in as much as possible. You guys tell as many of your friends to get involved. Tell all your friends to get involved, and either obviously watch it on the YouTube video or the live. Yeah, get dressed up if you want to, you know, make yourself a mocktail if you're underage. Fun with it, and yeah, we'll find out what you're baking on Friday. Yeah, congratulations for getting this far, and thank you for taking part. Anyway, if you're still not in the competition, you've all been lovely, and you should be so proud of what you have made this far, because honestly, like I said, me making my brother's cake today has proven to me how talented you guys actually are. I said to my mum earlier, I sat down after I made it and I was like, how are these girls baking what they're baking? Like, so yeah, I'm very proud of all of you. That's it from me. I look forward to getting all your stuff through so we can get voting. Thank you very much to Amelia and Faye for helping chat with me. And hopefully next week I will be recording the whole time. Yeah, I love you all on the live very much. Peace out.